today we're going to do a Sichuanese style eggplant salad, and this is kind of part of our Chinese or Asian salad series, where we mentioned last time in the tofu strips salad that essentially the dish is served cold, and usually whatever we're cooking is either minimally cooked or not cooked at all, and it gets topped with this like really savory, sometimes it's spicy, sometimes it's a little bit more tangy type sauce. And the reason that you'll see a lot of these types of like cold preparations, especially in the area of like Sichuan or kind of middle western China, is because in the summer when it gets hot, it really gets hot, especially in certain landlocked regions. And so yeah, when it's really hot, you prepare something spicy, which can make things less hot, but also you prepare dishes that really don't require that much cooking, if at all. So it's served nice and cold, and it's also super good. So I hope you all enjoy this one. Okay, so this is going to start off with Japanese eggplants. These are the thinner versions. They don't have as many seeds as the Western kind, and they're also less bitter. So usually, Asian style dishes will use this type. So I'm just starting off by cutting them into halves, and I'd say like about 3-inch long sections and chunks. And then I'm going to soak it in a solution of water and vinegar. Recipe is going to be down below. Usually most of my recipes are down below. So if you ever have a question, just look inside the description box. And what this water and vinegar solution will do is to keep the eggplants, I guess, more purple. So the vinegar is supposed to keep the purple nice and vibrant. So these eggplants can be steamed on medium high, and this is the trick here, is if you overdo it, it will turn green on you. I don't even think that the vinegar makes that big of a difference, but 5 minutes less, make sure you check it. I mean, even if it turns green and you lose the purple color, it's still as delicious. So honestly, it really doesn't matter. I have the sauce recipe down below. This is going to be a whole food plant-based version. So I made the soy sauce from doanjang, or like a bean paste or a miso paste, with water. I substituted the oil for a little bit of vegetable stock. Again, everything is going to be down below. So it's a little bit tangy, it's a little bit salty, it's a little bit spicy, and it really does a really nice job of making these eggplants very savory all on their own. So I did find that even with the vinegar, if you cook it for too long, it will lose its purple color. So I'd say check it at 5 minutes, and if it's fairly soft, I think you're good. So the sauce that we made for the eggplant honestly can go on to any vegetable, but eggplants are just so like meaty, they're so hearty, and I think like the Asians, and you know, this is a Sichuanese dish, but they do such a good job with having vegetables be like sustainable enough. Like you could just be eating this, a bowl of rice, you know, having some soup, and it would be sufficient enough because it's just savory, it's nice, it has all of the right flavors in it. So yeah, I hope you all give this a try, especially in the hot summer heat. And yeah, I will see you all again next time. Bye.